看我身边的这只鸟，多么漂亮，多么的漂亮！它有一个美丽的蓝眼睛。You are so beautiful. You have a beautiful mouth. You have a beautiful wing and beautiful eyes. You are so beautiful. I love you. And we need to love each other, correct? God make a global is one the life love each other. We are dependent together, correct? You make it beautiful for people. People love you. This world need a beautiful. Our body need a beautiful life. Our life should have a beautiful, correct? Looking beautiful sky, and beautiful river, and beautiful grass, correct? You understand me, correct? You are listen to me, correct? You are listen to me. I love you. You my friend. And you know me. You listen to me, correct? I'm so proud. I'm so beautiful. You know me. You are beautiful bird. You are angel bird. You love me. Okay, beautiful bird. Beautiful, can I touch your wing? Can I touch your wing? Can I touch your wing? 看我摸一摸它的 ，so beautiful. Oh, you don't let me touch your wing. It's okay, honey. You're so beautiful. 哦，那边还有一个鸟在为我们的谈话，它在评论。Thank you, honey. You're so beautiful. I love you. You're so beautiful. Thank you, everybody. Watch. 这张图片告诉我们人与大自然和谐，生命相互依赖生存。谢谢大家收看。